Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to add Linktree on TikTok. First of all, open up the web browser. After opening the web browser, click to search and open Linktree website. When you open up the site, click on Admin. Then tap on the share icon from the top bar. And copy the link address of Linktree site. Then open up the TikTok app and click on profile icon from the bottom right corner. After that, click on Edit Profile and tap on Bio from Edit Profile. Now paste the link in Bio and click to save it. As you can see, the link is added in Bio. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.